In this lesson, we are going to be focusing on metric and area conversions. And so we're going to be learning how to convert from one unit to another as far as metric and area conversions are concerned. So let's assume we want to convert from millimeter to meter, from hectometers to decimeters, centimeters to hectometers, and then all down to meters to centimeters. Now, using this our linear table, we have that 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters make 1 decimeter, 10 decimeters make 1 meter, all the way to 10 hectometers make 1 kilometers. So let's start from this number 1. So for us to convert millimeters to meters, we are going to start from this millimeters and then count how many movements we make from these millimeters to meters. All right, so let's start. This is 1, 2, and then 3. Right, this is 1, 2, 3. So it means that 10 raised to the power 3 millimeters is equal to 1 meter. All right, so let's see from hectometers to decimeters. Where's our hectometers? See our hectometers here. All right, then from hectometers to decimeters, we are going to start from these hectometers and then count how many movements we are going to make till we reach these 10 decimeters. All right, so starting from here, we have 1, 2, and then 3. So this is equal to 10 raised to the power. Now, because we are counting upwards, all right, it's going to be 10 raised to the power minus 3 hectometers equal to 1 decimeters. All right. Now, this one, the first one, millimeters to meters, we are counting downwards. All right. Now we are counting upwards. It's going to be 10 raised to the power negative 3 hectometers equals to 1 decimeter. It's no longer going to be 10 raised to the power 3 hectometers. So let's say from centimeters to hectometers. So say our centimeter here, they want to convert it to hectometers. All right. So the same thing we did the other time, we are going to count how many movements we are going to make from centimeters to hectometers. So let's start. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and then 4. So it then means that 10 raised to the power 4 centimeters is equal to 1 hectometer. All right, so this is going to be equal to 10 raised to the power 4 centimeters is equal to 1 hectometers. Now let's convert from meters to kilometers. So from meters to kilometers, as in this case, we are going to start from these meters, count the number of tens we have before we reach this 1 kilometer. So let's count. This is 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens. These 10 hectometers bears this 1 kilometer. So that means that 10 raised to the power 3 meters, 10 raised to the power 3 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So from decimeter to decameter, we have decimeter here, and then we have decameter here. So we count how many movements we make. This is 1 and 2. So it means that we are going to be having 10 raised to the power 2 decimeters equal to 1 decameter. Then for this decimeter to hectometer, I want you to find it. Then this decimeter to millimeters, I want you to find it, and then tell me the answer in the comment sections. Then from this meters to centimeters, now from meters to centimeters, we are going to go backwards. So this is 1 and 2. So it means that 10 raised to the power, remember we are going upwards, it's going to be negative 2. 10 raised to the power negative 2 meters is equal to 1 centimeters. So let's look at area conversion. And so for area conversions, we have that 10 square millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter square, 10 square centimeters equals to 1 decimeter square, then 10 square decimeters equals to 1 meter square, all the way to 10 square hectometers equals to 1 kilometer square. So let's assume we want to convert from millimeter square to decimeter square. So these are 10 square millimeters, and then these are 10 square decimeters. So starting from this 10 square millimeters, we count 1, 2. All right, so this is now going to be equals to 10 square raised to the power 2 millimeter square is equal to 1 decimeter square. So 10 square raised to the power 2 is going to be 10 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 10,000 millimeter square is equal to 1 decimeter square. Okay, so let's assume we want to convert from decimeter square, which is decimeter square, to hectometer square. Alright, so starting from this 10 decimeter square, so let's count. We have 1, 2. So starting from this decimeter square, so we count 1, 2, then all the way to hectometer square. So this is 1, 2, 3. So we have 10 square raised to power 3. Have 10 square raised to power 3 decimeter square will give us 1 hectometer square. So this is going to be 10 raised to power 6 dm square is equal to 1 hectometer square. So let's assume we want to convert from meter square to millimeter square. Say the same thing. We're going to start from 10 meter square, and then let's count this 1, 2, and then all the way to 3. So this is going to be 10 square raised to power 3 meter square is equal to 1 millimeter square. Now this is going to be -3, alright, because we are counting upwards. We are moving from higher units to lower units, so it's going to be -3. So 10 square raised to power -3 meter square is equals to 1 millimeter square. So it's going to be 10 raised to power -6, because 2 times 3 is 6, then meter square is equal to 1 millimeter square. So that's how you do your metric and area conversions. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.